Okay, so I may have already done a video on this back in the day, but let me show you what I did inside with the Fone Free. That's this thing. Fone Free Anywhere. I made it into a speaker. It uses the TDA 2822 amp, as seen there. I have to pause the video. There it is. This chip is that one right there. Pause the video. I know I'm a little shaky, but I'm holding the camera and this thing at the same time. And there's an unknown blob right there. So that's the mod I did. Those wires are connected to that big fat wire, which is the audio in. One goes to there, and then the blue one goes up to here. Apparently those are the ground and signal, but actually this amp is a stereo amp. So maybe in the future I'll hack this thing apart and make a stereo amp out of it. So yeah, I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I'm going to throw this one up just to let you guys know I'm still around. Still making videos, so thanks for watching.